Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to play game in Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, you want to play game, you want to use Motorola keypad mobile game setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Motorola keypad mobile game setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So first of all guys, unlock your Motorola keypad mobile. Tap here menu button. Select your game icon. Game setting we will on. After on game setting friends, you can see there are three games, but friends I can play only one game because second game I will have to buy. So friends, we will not select this game. Air strike game friends is free for my Motorola keypad mobile, and I will own my game. So friends, you can see new game and you can use your resume game also. So I will select a new game. Go option, tap here. So friends, you want to use game, so you can play game in your Motorola keypad mobile. So like that friends, you can play game. Level 3, and friends you can check your score also. Right side you can check your level, or left side you can check level, and right side you can check your score. 62 score I have in my Motorola keypad mobile. I have crossed guys 100, now 110. So like that friends, you want to own game in your Motorola keypad mobile, so you can own game and you can use. And friends, you can see now I am out game over. Back high score friends, you can check 126, and you want to reset your high score, so you can reset your high score. Now friends, when you will set your new high score, when you will record your new high score, you can use sound setting. Game sound you can off, and you can on your game sound in your Motorola keypad mobile. If you want game sound friends, you can see game sound, and you want to off your game sound, so you can off your game sound. And now friends, you can on your game, you can continue your game without sound. So like that friends, you can use game setting in your Motorola keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To have doubt, have any problem in Motorola keypad mobile setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.